Chitab Kalenin ibwatene. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ilele menye. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ibwatene. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ilele menye. Ugasi so Chitab Kalenin unengengi. Botingengi onime mwawe yenaitul. Kongo mengen konime teba tige mwaun. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ibwatenenye. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ibwatene. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ilele menye.
Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ibwatine Chitab Kalenin kebwatwe Daktari Joel Kimeta ole Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin ibwatine kakeweke eng episode number 66 eng kemboutab rani. Kongoi biik tugul chakere kakoingian kubun takwek cheterchin. Akere biik kakoripoten kabisa kondoiwech nekekure Marius Kogei kale live ole Mbakare Nairobi. Asante sana koek nambari ya kwanza ra. Akere nato ko nekikure Jonas Gibbs kale tumefika kabisa, asante sana. Kongoi Letik Philip kale live all the way from Mulimba Doha, Qatar. Ameche tikiwech kongoi ang biik tugul chekitunen in eng episode nekisirto, episode number 65 nekikimuch kinetkei tuguk chechang kong'ete olimbo taonit nebo China. China ko kikinyoru tuguk chechang kabisa. Ameche tikesom mwalimuinik chi age tugul netiweke that episode akomuch sikosikchi iro some links ole kibetoi China, oratunwek, iro angot mwalimuinik ak mi opportunities chechang kabisa olimbo kebeberta nebo China. So weke episode number 65 sikosikchi inetkei. Kongoi chepkametin nyo noto ko Faith Minor. Kimangun ki age tugul nemie kimeche kele tosub inendet eng pageit ni ak boisionik cheyoe. Chale kongoi Benson P. Ward kale live kong'ete olimbo Western Australia, olimbo emetab angot Sakayo ak timit tugul nebo Western Australia. Angot Steve Sitiene, asanteni sana watu wa Western Australia, biikab Melbourne Australia. Kilejin kimi kityo kebwane Melbourne in 2 weeks time. Kebwane nyikelonjeni taunet on all roads to Melbourne in the next 2 weeks. Asante sana. Nganta kwa Nancy Chepiego Chebarambo kale following up in South P. Ulimba County nebo Nairobi kala again tune in to episode China. It was nice and wonderful. Kongoi biik chakere kosubech eng kebeberta nimbo Instagram. Ameche alechi biikab Instagram otunen in onge transitioning kebe kebeberta nebo Facebook siketestai. Ameche ale kongoi engineer nenyo Janet na mi background olin koborye ng'alekab musoknotet Manuela, asante sana. Akomi oret akotokchingei olimbo Kaptagunyo eng Nandi County. Ameche kityo tabwatwa kale sponsors chechok ko sponsors neo ko kampunit nebo Optiven Property Limited akobun olimbo county nebo Nairobi ak kampunit ne noto ko Tamu Life. Tamu Life komitune kebeberta nebo emetab America. Ameche iwe website chekwa ak igugulen simakchigei mbaret akimuch iee chaik imi ole mi. Ameche kecrossen kong'ete emetab Adelaide, South Australia akoi olimbo Ohio sikenyoru balozi. Balozi amune Columbus, Ohio.
Kongoi Osea, kongoi kasubik kyok, kastoik kyok tugul eng kebeberwek chu mite. Ameche akatat tugul ole chamgei. Kakeweke anan koking'etie kebeberta nebo China ole kikinyoru inendet chepkametinyo eng kebeberatak Faith akebwa rani akoi kitokchinigei kebeberta nebo Nairobi. Kimi Nairobi, Kenya, the capital city of Kenya. Ole kitinye kora chepkametinyo inendet sikomwoiwech engineer Viola Chemutai. Guest anan episode number 66 eng kebebertab Nairobi. Kongoi Mark Tony akile mite olimbo Adelaide. Kongoi Prudence Chepkogei abwoti ale mi Italy kelejinin karibu eng episode nenyo 66. Ko kaking'etie kebeberta anan koking'etie kebeberta nebo China akebwa akoi Nairobi, Kenya. So kakikrosen ko ui kokikas wikit konye ko kikinyoru kenai kele mi opportunities kebeberta nindobo China mising eng mwalimuinik che ineti chokilen subject courses ngineti biology, chemistry, Kiingereza, economics komaya kabisa kebeberatak meche iteb ile lion kimeche siketiam kora kimutu mwalimuyot nekibun ng'alechotok sikobit komwoiwech kole ne eng iman nemakat. So kilechino karibuni wote mwaiwech ile isubech kobun ano. Kimeche tekemwa kongoi eng Octiven kibagenge inotok Octiven Limited notok ngimeche ialchigei mbar eng kebebertab Kenya mising Nairobi ak Kenya komugul kelechinin ng'ololchi icheket asikobit inyorchigei mbar kidogo. So mosirgei ak biik. Kimeche kora kemwa kongoi eng Tamolife ne notok kondochin chepkametinyo notok Engineer Janet ne maimuch komite kobotech eng betutab ra kosubkei ak amuneishek chemaimukak. Kelechinin anan kelechin ak makinyoru inendet lakini mite background kotoretech eng ng'alekab technology. Ko kongoi Engineer Janet. Ko osea abwoti ale chamegei eng Adelaide ko kotomo kenyoru tuguk chekinyorchin kebebertab Nairobi ketou tetutiet kemeche kelechi chepkametinyo feel free siboisie Kiingereza, Kiswahili ak Kalenjin. Abwoti ale kose biik lugainotok ko kimeche kemwa kele kongoi ko kakonyo inendet taonyo nebo betutab ra. Ko osea kotomo aitchi taonyo sikokatech ko ameche kityo koteilechech isubech akot ng'o atya abwoti ale mi komie eng kebebertab Adelaide.
Ami well kabisa balozi ngikere kokaratkei kabisa kakikrosen kebe koking'ete chekikure winter kakikrosen kebe summer so kachenjen weather lakini kongoi biik chakere kosubech akere notok ko Mactoni ko alumni neng'ung balozi kisomani St Patrick iten engineer nenyo olebo Adelaide. Akere chi nekikure Kiptoi, asante sana. Akere chi nekikure Cynthia Keter all the way from Western Australia, asante sana. Akere Generani Williams notok ko ndiriboindetab karitab maat ngole Western Australia. Arap Araswa mwenyewe akere kosubech ngolin kabisa komi chini kwa chini. Akere balozi kakomong biik tugul kobun takwek cheterchin. Ameche kityo talech ongeshian ongelaikan. Akere notok Joshua Boit asante sana kale kakotunenin kobun olimbo kebeberta nebo olimbo county nebo Nairobi. Ameche kityo balozi amakitou akere mi scholarship chekokeshian chekokiyat kabisa. Akere chang links chebo scholarship ako kakeatachan to page ni. Ameche ivisiten our page inyoru all the links chebo 2022-2023 scholarship iyat ameyate chachang ko balozi. Akere messages ngiwe page ni kotebe biik chechang kole mayotakse so ngomayatak itiem alternative iro kit nekeboisie sikomuch koyatak amu ngeyat acheket koyotakse. Ameche kityo alecho subscriben eng YouTube nenyo nebo Igere Nee. Iwendi kityo yun kole akichil kobirir ichile kabisa ichile kityo makosten anything chil akishare. Ak ameche kityo kotikiwech kongoi eng neranik chekokimuch keng'ololchi ngolimbo county nebo Uasin Gishu olimbo Cheptiret. Kimakchini kiy age tugul nemie neranik ak chi age tugul chekomi tuyonotok. Balozi akere makoya ing'etwech tetutiet nebo betutab rani.
So kongoi akere chebo Kiriama mangen ale kale imyeno kale watching live. Titus Kemei kosubech kobun mangen ale bunu ano kale Loktin. Laban Zak Lagat kole komi kebebertab Bomet kelechinin karibu. Gilbert Dela Cruz Mondera mangen ale ano lo kabisa kale Loktin atya ketesetai kou notok. Kongoi ngakwek tugul kimwoe kele yewe YouTube ilaikan, subscribe, kokile chil anan kele nyabir, whatever it is, sikobit isubscriben ko mwoe chebo tugul kole nyabir teteng kele nachek chil yewe yotok and then share a comment with us sikobit ketestai kou notok. Visiten our website page asikobit ikerchigei ng'alekab scholarship cheimuchi inyoru eng kebeberatak sikobit isub. Kimwoe kelen kimeche ing'et ikoek inyendet ne initiateni the process mele kechengun lakini inyendet neichenge, so kimeche kemwaun kelejin tyem asikobit iwe ak inetkei ile mine. Tekebendi kora kesungukani yeking'etye eng kebebertab Nairobi makingen kele kitokchinigei ano, lakini we will bring episode 67 kobun makingen kele ano, mara keng'etyi olakerin Titus kobun Uasin Gishu kelejin karibu Bari, komite USA kelejinin karibu. Ketesetai kounotok Isaac Tuwei kokole Loktin, so kelejinin karibu ngakwek tugul chekaomuch osubet. Ko kou kila ko kimeche kekur taonyo kityo kokatech kole chamgei sikobit ketou program nebo rani. Ko Engineer Viola Chemutai meche kityo ikat kasubikyok ilechi chamgei sikonai biik kole imi asikobit ketou tetutiet. Engineer. Muted.
Unmuten.
Okay.
Kongoi missing balozi. Alen achamakat ak tugul. Alo amune. Engai kekurono kuyoto kaukas Viola Chemutai abunu Nairobi. I mean Nairobi, but this is not my residence.
Kongoi nye Chemutai, ko abwati ale resident nengung en Nairobi, ole kikisikyin kityo ole maybe ko residence olotok, lakini kongoi kakinyorchi taonyo kebebertab Nairobi ko kaokas ole mitei. Ko kileinin kityo Chemutai yekitestai feel free boisie kalenjin, Kingeresa ak Kiswahili. Mangen ngot komi language age neingen ngot komitei, then you can use that, lakini cho somok chekeboisie ko kakinyorchi inendet kebebertab Nairobi, Kenya. Ko kou yekiakekere besho ko Nairobi kotindoi area nebo 696 km square, notok ko kergei ak 269 square miles. Tinye population mwaat kele eng 2019 ko kotinye 4.4 million biik chemite kebebertab Nairobi. Nairobi kotindoi constituencies 17, tindoi wards 85. Naat Nairobi kicham kemwoe kele the city of the cool water, nekitochin Masaek and was founded in 1899 koek a city in 1902. Nairobi ko nekit ko city agenge netindoi ing dunia komugul ko taonit agenge anan city agenge netindoi national park eng town katikati. So yewe Nairobi, ngot kotomo iwendi, angen ale mi biik chetomo koba, ko yewe visite national park nebo Nairobi ak ikaskei ingen ile nekit ko city inege netindoi national park eng town eng ng'ony komugul. Mwaat kele Nairobi ko taonit agenge ne tesetai koetu anan nerei, tesetai koetu eng taonishek ako Nairobi ko nekit ko taonit agenge ne nekit kemwoe kelen the top 10 destinations in Africa komugul. So kimeche kemwa kele yenyoru boroindo ivisite Nairobi, chang tuguk chekororonen kebebertab Nairobi, ko taonit agenge ne kararan, ako yevisiten ko chang tuguk cheimuchi iyai imi taonit nito bo Nairobi. Ko kakinyorchi chepkametinyo kebeberta nito bo Nairobi, ko kongoi akerin Isaac Tuwei, akerin Nelson Meli kole isubech, abwati ale isubech, mangen ale bunu ano, ko nekit ko biik cheingen chemeleng kole ko lechinin laikan ak ishean, ko ose asisheanwech asikobit kikochi biik eng lainwek anan ortinwek alak chekimuchi keitchi biik cheisubech anan kasubikyok. Anan iwe tos ikere Nee Chitab Kalenjin asikere live, kimite Facebook live akemite ole tugul ole. So karibuni. Ko kibendi ketou ketepse taonyo nebo betutab rani. Ko Chemutai anan Engineer Viola, kimeche kityo keteb tebutiet netai kele Engineer Viola Chemutai ko kikisikyin ano, atya kosoman primary ano, kwo secondary ano. Mwaiwech kitikin akobo family neng'ung'et, itinye siblings, otinye cheotupche, and how was it growing up for you ing ole kikisikyin, ole kimeche sikenai tugul kiune igrowen up koi mining. Chemutai, karibu.
Kongoi missing balozi. Alen ketau ko kamwa kainenyu kikurono Viola Chemutai. Kako Kaptumo, kikisikyo Kaptumo. olegile Masombor, Ibanja. I'm the firstborn to my 9 siblings. I think siblings. So I'm the firstborn. Talking about growing up, ko kikisikyo Masombor kuyatakamwa ko kiasoman Ibanja primary kongetege nursery agoi class 2. Gami class 2 I transitioned from Ibanja to Kokwet primary mite Mosoriot. Ko kianyo anyoga mama nenyunet kongetege class 2. That is anyonga anyoga mama Mosoriot olegile Kokwet. From class 2 now nikasoma Kokwet primary school mpaka class 8.
So ang yetar class 8 itakigano in Viola.
So I from that classes kegura I did my first class 8 in 2007. I knew 289 marks. College my uncle who is my mentor. College ngeringen magishek yo siget tigay and ma questioning I get to school. 208 I did my KCP and I got my 324 marks. I joined Turbo Girls that 208 mpaka 2012 form 4. Yeah.
Kongoi nye Viola. So
Yes.
iwe Turbo Girls itasta ing yundok kogitun ing yundok iya ing Turbo Girls inyoru ata ako amutinano choto ginyoru.
Yes. So Kinya I sat on my 2012 kokiatare form 4 qualified for a sister and I didn't qualify to go direct to university. I had to stay home first. Amugi ka mama nenyu melen kora gibik ki it was an average family. Ki melen ki magare kanango gilian, so it was still a struggle. Ago kitinya kora siblings. Kinya sirta gogo nenyago umech mama agenge. So gogi mameshek chechuk chemengechitu komite sukul akichek, so they had a burden kiti ke someshani chun kelezoin a relaxan kidogo. That was 2012, 2013, the whole of 2013 I was at home. 2013 and 2014. Yes.
Kongoi nye Viola. So nekit ko transitioning nikiwo limba Mosoriot kokireducen patterns, I'm assuming, but mongen amu gagegas anangemwa ile yotinye 9 siblings koyach kimutin iwe limba Mosoriot Kokwet ibitestai Kokwet iwe sukul ole kiwe high school ang nyewe labinyoru C. So kimutin ano C no kenyoru anan kele kitebi nga kikoitokyigon ak C neng'ung'et.
Aya ki 2012 kinyoru jita C. I think for those people chekia testi wakati huo koki suppose itemwon jita korok ikaske anyun amu mami ole iwendi. So college my uncle, I had a supportive uncle, both of them, shout out to them. College this is not the end of life, because by then ko kikiaga sinyanyo negi tonon Eastern kimiteterige. So me first of all kogi uyaki kia loosen up korog in life. I was not expecting that. I was an average student, but I was thinking I'll even score a C+, at least nipenye kwa university. And finding out that si kumanage kuingia university, kwa yaja tulian gorogi nga. Kole just the wife to my uncle, araga kya ine. Aleji ara ngimu ngityo nga nara kya ine go kijam ko gine go gimwana biashara kijam kwendi sogo. Aleji nga jobe sambusa atembesa Nigeria. Ke jobe sambusa kebati kwendi ine sogo angetu atembesa nini samosa Nigeria. So that is what I did in 2013, the whole of 2013 mpaka December.
Koin Chemutai itembesani chapati Nigeria ano Kokwet anan ano ole itembesani ale biik chapati ngolotok.
Sambusa chapati icheket ko kikibendi soko Mosoriat, so sambusa ko kicham ale biik sambusa, ngichop sambusa komami chi nemokoyal sambusa ngitembesa. So that is what I did. Kidogo na that was life.
Ko in Chemutai, so ketembesan sambusa, so mongen ale kimekani profit anan meche kwal osea sambusa agenge ko siling ata nekialdoi ako kimekani yekain were you making profit anan kiyoe kityo amu kosokomanin?
We were making profit. Like kicham kechobe sambusa karibu 100. Ko this sambusa 100 ko ki sambusa agenge ko siling 5, so that is 500. Akiam eng yoto chebo ungiat 70 bob ak mwaita chepkulutu. Kicham keale chepkulutu nebo siling 100 ko kitare sambusa ichoto tugul. So you see we are making profit, we are sustaining ourselves. Mind you, ki my uncle kora ko ki mwana biashara ki cham ko what their business like they have but they did business like to sustain themselves. Any business that come in between agot kimi wakati katikati before go 2014 2013 ko kijam ke alda ingwe. So ningeenda nitafute mboga a multitask ningo abro sambusa aibe ba alingwe nikerat karon ke mustae karon Eldoret. So nini soko. Yes.
So kongoi in kele sambusa da jobeng betut amu I'm trying to imagine kikichop sambusa ang you negit 50 kotakanech forever, so mongen it's not easy to do that many sambusa.
Kicham kobendi kabisa, kicham atembesani bait nimba chepkete ngony olin anan atokoste awe akoi nimba in awe tebeson olin. Yani it was ki hectic lakini you had no otherwise. Yes.
Kongoi abwati ale biikab tebeson okere chito nekicham kotembesani sambusa mongen kotokomi chi noe chotok. So kitembesan sambusa chekuket kotianit amu kakinyorchin kebebertab Nairobi. Ko mongen ale kitembesan sambusa chekuk itinye ak nitembesani sambusa lakini kakinyorchin Nairobi. So iyoe ne eng Nairobi ako kiitite ano Nairobi?
Yes, so yeah, 2014, let's talk about 2014. Kinyaga ka koprok 2013, 2014. On 2014, mid 2014, I realized that kianyigis. Yes, that was the start of hell with me now. Amu igere maisha neibunei ang nanyon kakoit baden age, so I had to also start like live again. I've gone live in a different way. Atingololji chepyosetab my uncle aleji ara kakilya.
So Chemutai, itembesani sambusa ketembesan sambusa kot koek ngalek alak matukoek sambusa. Ko yenyonye imwachi how kata itembesani, so how did you tell your chepyosetab your uncle now, because it is
My uncle atinye my uncle neo nekikimite tugul kot agenge kinye sirto koumech tugul, so that is my uncle nekiatebe konyi asomani. Akiam komi my uncle kora nekimite Nairobi by then, who is a chemical engineer. He is now currently is in Netherlands with his family. So 2014 komutu anyo Nairobi. Nya aripchi kikawa sukul wife nenyi nyaripchi lagok. So 2014 January kukiamite Nairobi. So kidogo mwezi wa 5, mwezi wa 4 awe kaa. Chakakichumde holiday. Iko ache kiya 20 arab lo realize ana la uyau.
Kota iweka Nairobi anan kimwei?
Kikiweke kiaiwe korok asalende mawekse Nairobi ameche atebi nga ameche ataalda sambusa. Kolecho wife to my uncle noto nomi Nairobi, kwani shida kone? Aleji aja mamite shida, ameche kityo alya awe atebi nga. Kong'ololso tuwai alen kesoman akobet ole mwachindogei. Betut kotomo kowek Nairobi a night before kesomanen anyun kenda sitting room. Kelecho mwaiwech anyun mieno shida. Alende uyeu, so they accepted me. Kelecho if you feel like kukaa nyumbani ni mzuri, weka. Atebi asungushago mataweke Nairobi. Yes. Ketebi ak my elder uncle nguno Nairobi. Chepyosenyi ingin ushago. Yes.
So itebi kotianit eng Ushago, and then kikoi nyigis, and then then what happened?
kiatebe got mwezi wa 2015 January amu ki January atebe got 2015. Keriba for 4 months kobita scholarship. There is a foundation ure AFSI. AFSI, it is an NGO organization urege AFSI. So this organization go give a scholarship for any lady interested again courses mostly juta juvamentu kimite plumbing, juta mechanical engineering. Yes. So the komi ed konini nyago mi go quit that of the organization ge great for interview gele any interested person walia kwenye kwa interview.
Yes.
So I say I set up my uncle Aleji, kago be this opportunity. What do you think about it? My boy tagon marabili. Mind you like it kuba raigangwan. College we interview. Kiro tu keu. Interview ke wait interview. After 2 weeks, every si made college ke qualify, and so you have to travel to Nairobi because the school go meet Nairobi Gure Kizito Technical Institute. Meet Nairobi, you have to travel. Like that was now mwezi wa sita 2015. Yes.
Koin Chemutai, so koinyoru sukul kuribun ngo lakwet ako kichut sokek chi chekaiyanan chito nekiba ng'alechu kochut sokek anan kiwono?
Kibendi hata sai balozi. So that was a start of mwezi wa saba 2015. College amu that part of sage ganagone allow me to not to share or to comment anything, but college to wife to my uncle la ribon lakwet.
Okay.
Ametai gine lakwet ko 4 months ko ribo lakwet awe school. That was now mwezi wa saba.
So guy Nairobi ikabi so manjine nguno in Chemutai.
So in Nairobi go gitinye different courses. They were interested only on ladies, so they wanted to empower ladies to this field. It was the first, it was called a dual training. It was a combination of a dual training. So many at the same time, training. So the school, nini walikuwa na student 40, we were 20 ladies and 20 men. So the enrollment was automotive engineering. That was entailing mechanical, MVM, and motor vehicle mechanic and motor vehicle electrical. It was both. Yes.
So kongoi nye Chemutai, so kabiwe ibichut field goichut as naba murine kamu in engineering naba gejo karit.
Yes.
Yeah, so ako gemete lakwet gine lakwet kago tebe lakwet kago imi Nairobi. Ameche anyun simwoiwech abwoti ale meche koname wose simwoiwech transition ng'ung'et eng Nairobi amu kabitebe ano eng Nairobi imite in sukul imi kapchi kekombwan kot and how was it live in Nairobi because keweke Nairobi nebo oeng kiibit mweu nikinye iweke gaa ko nikokonyiwe ko sukul. How was it?
Yes, so from my first statement, college mi uncle na gimita Nairobi. So I had kimelengi kagisirge anan gimita shida tugul. So college ganyoru scholarship college, why not come and stay in my house ukienda shu because kwenye ulikuwa naishi haikuwa mbali na haikuwa mbali na shule. So iba atebe ka my uncle nata my mentor atebe asomani awendi school jioni narudi naenda jioni narudi hivyo for 3 years.
Ako scholarship nekenyoru so meche konai biik ko kinyor Chemutai kinyorchi koset eng ng'olyondoni kimwoun chi kikitangasan eng radio ngele biik eng olimbo gaa kotebe kityo birchin osea kole ameche scholarship kulen alake mara kakakinde classified biik alak Chemutai ko ngosoman kosetit kosomani sports mawendi aba classified komi alake chesomani politics kityo lakini ng'alek tugul alak komi kaseti kinyorchi ano ng'olyondoni eng mosoriot kotomo.
So this organization nebo AFSI komite in our area village kokwet kotinye an office in that kokwet. So ko kiki announce ni kityongan eng village my uncle kinyor my uncle mi chito na kasi unda koleji une Chemutai tos imuch kasini koleji ngobatebe ngolya ngomuchi kolya konyukwo. So that is how I got the information agawe interview. So interview tulifanyiwa tu on a village Kokwet na vitu zikakuwa after interview ko interview na akiam keib results kwa Nairobi because that is where their headquarter is. Yes.
Ko mailiban niting Chemutai skip giliban scholarship no ko gilibanunis.
So the scholarship was the nini gather the half the school fees, then you apply for an help loan. They help you who apply help loan si gather ila amount chika mago imuch amu giliban nusu.
Okay.
Yes.
Kongoi nye Chemutai konoto kameche yotok sikong'et inamu kose biik ako biik chechang ngap kotebe maswali chechang ma initiate nito process amaskini chito kocheng'ei because macheng'in tukchu kikimwaun iaktan ibicheng iwe interview kekurin ibisom help loan so tukchu tugul chukot konyit tugul kakwa Chemutai tomo imwoiwech ile kaiwe utok how was it iyoe in kusini amu nito ko nekit ko I mean it's not an easy kekanap injinitab karit anan ko ne tukyo tugul cho ko kiune course like iwendi kap your uncle iweke sukul how was it kikorom anan were you able to transition ibitar and was it challenging?
Yes, Balozi. It was so challenging. That is all I can say. But because kinga we kumaigo challenge nagi the only reflection nagerang togenyu kolakwenyu. So amu kya bwati alejinike. So this is an opportunity nakagegona. And this is the only way that I can like netosa sabi unaona kimagere any agot ngabunu inwe kolya kokiarire kidogo ndalen kababot kakas kole kidogo abwat ale there atinye lakwet ne lazima ya ataret hapo mbeleni unaona sasa kimotivate na each and every day kingabawe ko kaego exhausted and I had also a supportive system my uncle I don't know mange na gotala libanda yano lakini even them they know they really helped me a lot kitareta chama man cho I sometimes hata nasemanga na kwa emotional. Inyoru big man no, it is not easy. The greatest support system. Kinga kulejo gilke. So at least kinga nyoru that support system abwati ale koma wait ke lakini challenges kimias maraisi. Yes.
Kongoi nye Chemutai so ameche keweke ako kebeberta nebo olimbo Australia sikobit kenyoru agere Kipkeny Langat watching tapkigen kole nebo Jeiso following Gladys Kibet kosubech agere Isaac Tuwei bet kosubech Nelson Mele kelejinin kongoi Titus Kimeli kelejinin kongoi imeche kibwatun akobo Octaven kibagengeit notok Octaven Limited eng kebebertab Nairobi asikobit ichengchigei mbar anan mosirgei ak biik kosubkei ak ng'alekab rabinik yache rabinik atkan kora meche kora kibwatun akobo Tamolife ak kemeche kora kelejin kimeche imarketan business neng'ung'et ing'ololji notok kilen kampunit nebo engineer Janet nemitei kebeberta nebo America ko kelen cheng kibagenge notok ui website nenyonet sikobit inyoru kibagengeishechu anan kampunishechu sikobit kotoretin eng or agenge anan ko age. Ko Osea Kibrono ngebwa kebeberta ng'ung sitesetai yu. Karibu.
Kongoi Balozi Pitarono, kongoi ak biik tugul chetokere kosubech eng takwek tugul cheterchin chebo kureretab asista agere Arap Ng'eny all the way from Olimbo Western Australia. Asante sana. Agere chi nekikure Young Bitok. Asante sana. Agere kosubech kabisa. Ketinye followers chemi kebeberta nebo Instagram. Agere chi nekikure Casman Walter. Asante sana. Agere Lilian Cheben. Asante sana. Kosubech kabisa. Agere nata Kefo mwenyewe. Asante sana. Harap Sulo. Asante sana. Yan Kipchumba Sulo. Asante sana. Deno. Asante sana. Kityo kora tabwatu angot imi emetab Australia ak imi emotinwechu ak itinye sabwet eng olimbo ground komeimgei ng'ololwech kityo ak connectanin ak streamenun event neng'ung ngolimbo emetab Kenya ngimeche ngomi kiy age tugul netesetai eng kokweng'ung ak imokchinigei kemulika siisup at the comfort of your area ing'ololwech inboxen our page atikewalun anan icheng chi nekikure Manuela Kemboi koming'une taonit neo nebo olimbo Eldoret anan ko Sisibo. Kongoi Viola, agere safari ngo kakocher biik chechang kabisa ako tikemi oret. Ameche kityo ameche kemwa ile the course anan the technical course ko chakilen male dominating course. Tos kemwa ile chang challenges. Tos imwawech challenges karibu aeng kityo akimwa ile ara kimanuvande ano ak encouragen chi age tugul nemuch komokyingei that course. Ak itesyi kora imwawech ile ara tos une course-ini kikotoretin course-ini ako ngo kikotoretin ko tos ne ak ne kelchin chekinomchi course-ini yoe siketestai kong'ete yot. Unmuten.
Kongoi missing Osea. I think nging'alale challenges ko ngetaune korok kwa masomo itekani the course on its own. It entails a lot of things. Mite komi korok sai technical drawing. That was I don't know what to call it, but repeater. We just passed and here we are. Kage to the field anan katige mite background about education.
A little bit mwawechi kingoingiani ko ata ako tos mi kyotar tugul anan mi chekitil eng oret.
Yes. Kingiani ko ki 40, 20 male and 20 females. Kejoinen that was 2015 mwezi wa saba. That was when we start now classes. Ke 2015, 2018, 2015 mwezi wa saba. 2016 katikati yao kakota kochuchuak moja. That was like ngetu karibu 35 in class. That is, we are talking of 2016. Kagebwa only 3 months. It was a 3 months of either uendele ama usonge, because it was totally new kid. The school ko kimakotinye ladies in that field, so it was kinda kikigerech ko unaona threats kitu kama hiyo, alafu pia you have to prove that you can do, unaona ka pressure kengine hapo unafika katikati hapo wala golejen ga jamaa muji. So 2016 katau ko kagengeto 35 ipkoite katikati koge almost 28, and guess what, the list jebendi kolen big ladies ngaba majengos nebo office mamujini amu we were ever on overalls, we were ever on practicals. You do on a technical nini, we do a lot of practicals, so hiyo inapata inakudrain kabisa. It is preparing you. Yes.
Ngebas kaimutech ara finally graduate ko ata ko after graduation ara tos kiamishe course-ini anan ko and then go kiamishe imwawech ile tos privileges ne che tos kinamchi this course and what is your advice for amu ngeng'ololi sai kekere unemployment rate komi barak, len biik hakuna kazi, wache biik kila mtu ngile kowache sai. So what's your advice ako moso ing'ololchi kora ladies chekere kole memukakse keyai course nekiyai?
Yes. Kia graduated on 2018. That was, let me summarize my education. Amu kia agilge, and I finally graduate. We graduated 25 out of 40. We were 12 ladies and 13 males. So the 12 ladies, we have been tulikuwa tumeshikana mkono, like we have to empower each other. Nginyoru chance chito unamwita mwingine hivyo. So 2018 December, that was when I graduated. December. So 2019 go kiawe askwa flow kutafuta kazi sasa. You are no longer a student. You have to look for a work. And 2019 awe jua kali negi mitero Isambu. There is a amu my uncle kisten within Kasarani, so kokingabia itembea nikere ile ngomite biik chechobe garishek within the road, so nikaenda jua kali pale Roysambu kiala overall karon kotebe na my uncle koleja iwendi ano, ale kityo ngatembea naro kutoto salia, nimetuma masivi zangu bado sijapata feedback na siwezi kaa kwa nyumba. Haya, Monday asubuhi one morning Monday awe Roysambu nilikuwa nikitembea tu na overall. Sasa unajua ukitembea kwa barabara people are like, aya, hata wewe ni makanika. So unaona hilo maneno unapatananga nao kwa barabara. Naambia, mimi ni makanika naweza. Mwingine hata anakutishia anakuambia, we unaweza kweli ukafungua miguu ya basi? Nikamwambia, try me. You see the confidence when you carry yourself with confidence, bila hata kushtuka, nobody will judge you. Lakini ngiwe yuna New Zealand, nitajaribu tu, nobody will ever trust you. So nikaenda Roysambu kwa jua kali. I got jamaa fulani alikuwa mzee, alikuwa anafanya kazi hapo. Nikaenda hapo, he was the age of my father. Alezi oye achenge gasi koleza, madam, hii ni kitu umeamua kufanya? Kimagonge ngole kiasoma njiso kigere kuya kanyo kityo top no ame nyikoneta gasi koleza ngotaneti ni muji. Aleji, I'm very ready for anything. Kotaune na koleza kimita Mitsubishi Lancer the 4x4 koleza ameje ijerwa nini spring za nyuma. We my friend, akojua kali mamite anything you have to unajek gari, hiyo ni manpower unatumia. Alejige venye uko jijaza lazima this one I will, this one I will. Aleji ko keep school giginete into detail giginete gelejini. When you want to remove the springs you have to suspend this way and this way. Konga gijiji umelengi tishana kumejawajer kimeja kichongan koro. If I have the idea of doing the process, ale no problem. Kuna jacket nika jack the car, I suspend the springs, agajeru kuna kuanga na bolt ya katikati. Nikatoa yo bolt, it springs kwanza za kando. Kagu monitor na jizi ya gogera golejan. From now onwards, I'm ready to teach you. That was the first impression that this person took out of me, because kia willing, and I was confident enough, and I accepted myself that this is the field that I'm venturing to from now onwards. So kiatinye, I had the powers within me. Onona, yes.
Oh, teganet through us.
Osea kongoi kachamin kele kelach karon ing'eti kele ngacheng kasi ilach overall ak iwe ak overall. So kacham ole ketoundo amu ingele biik alak jeez kakochelelen pole ko yo kikenitot kawek ko kimeche Osea kote imwoiwech ile isubech okot ng'o. Abwoti ale kachunda in taonyo. Agere Daniel Kandie, agere Mercy Chepkemboi Memoi ale keep the great work chemu. Daniel agerin Gladys Kibet. Osea mongen ale igere okot ng'o.
Kongoi tagere biik kabisa nekile Willy Brown, asante sana. Jakigere cheisubech kabisa chekakosubire ngebeberta nimbo Instagram. Amite ale transition obengebe kebeberta nimbo YouTube, ongebe kebeberta nebo Facebook sikenyorugei ak kisom kityo ngotiwachenech for the first time ako tom inyorchigei kelchin isubscribe on YouTube. Kui kityo YouTube yo icheng Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin, icheng Osea Kiprono, subscribe on YouTube channel ichotok tugul. Agere kakoi daktari, notok ko Daktari Mark Cheruyat kale very impressive show of confidence and resilience. Asante sana daktari, all the way from Olimbo kebeberta nebo Western Australia. Akaneng'ung tuget kalos.
Kongoi chemu pole kachunda chemu nyo. So kakacham chemu ko kelach overall amu ibichenge kasi. Biik alak komuchi kolachkei ole kelaktegei nguno kosome kasi sikokwong'e chito kole ing'o. And then chemu ingele inye you are a lady, so ingele ngot these men kwashumeni tugun chechang. Imuchi koker Osea kolejin kanyone kokayait karinyu atya kolejin ameche kechop kari, inye ko engineer anan mechanics. Kongyolechin kurwo mechanica ko most of the men kwashumeni kole maybe amu kere kole men dominated. So ngemwochi ilechi ulete gari kotebe kole mechanic amefika, ilechi niko how do men react and how does it feel ginye amu atkan gora kolejin kesomchini chi kasi amu nginye ile konya asome kasi kotebe chito kole ng'o neisomchini kasi ilechi no asomchinigei. How do you take this?
That is very interesting, eh? Ladies, I kwanza let's take perspective. I did that work from January 2019 our mid of mwezi wa tano nikiwa jua kali pale Roysambu. Sasa the interesting part about it is now when it comes to payment. I didn't get any pay from January to mwezi wa tano. Kija mungu na ketime kasi go to levelanji yangu kolejin iptati job yet piyam tumbukisa yani pkechobun chapati agenda usubu, and because you want life you ungechukua uende ufanye unini ukule, because one thing I wanted now is the experience kwa ground. I was not interested with money in the first few months. Amu this field building your confidence that you can handle a car. A car is something very sensitive. Karga porangung kiwendi jitab ke ukifanywa kitu fulani kumima staga lo makia ungomye, it can bring an harm to several parts of the body. So Koleja, this man he was an old man, not that old, but he respectable. So Koleja, you know what? I can pay you a thousands of money that I want to pay you, but I won't help you. Sababu hujui kazi. Wow, that was the painful part of it. Koleja muja tareting chagonin fair lagini I will not pay you even a single penny. And that is why I come to understand what that person was meaning until now. I didn't kimaele one sayo. Agoy sai. Ndio sasa na I know that was the best thing he could offer to me. I think guys for 5 months. On mwezi wa tano I remember tarehe mbili. There is a prominent person negi kikanyo TRM. I was working along TRM ne Roysambu. Kokera this person uya he was motivated because I was the only lady. Ami within a man, jegule bangi, wanafanya nini. So I was facing lots of things, but I was able to stand. I was able to stand, speak about myself, explain why I'm doing this and this. Alafu watu wa jokali, watu wengi wanakuwa wakijifunza kazi. Si mtu ameenda shule. So that was the technical part about it. Amu kiatinye the technical wherever kiatinye the knowledge about everything. Even if I could not dismantle at that moment, but I had an idea. I bring the idea of what I've been taught in the class, I relate here. So that was the better part of me. There is a moment negi me this person negi ngalega break. So there is something this is something that not everyone know about it. Asking shida in a break agera was struggle naginger sayo mattress tana anenda nguna go either spanagal I assist in retaining maybe kuweka kitu ajanipea confidence ya kukana gari peke yangu. So I challenge this person, not in a bad way. Haleji, what if we do this? That was the only day negi listen na kwa sababu hiyo kitu ilikuwa memsumbua the whole day. Customer is on his neck. Haleji, let's brainstorm. Kalia makia iguni. In fact, venye tulimaliza tu hivo, the car was okay. The car was okay. It was like an achievement to me. Unaona kuna kitu fulani unafanyanga unasikia you feel like I've achieved something. That was the turnaround of my life in 6 years.
Chemutai, so they meet you agale. Uyo aga sila magale ban so kabi ay uge lega ko London ruwa igo ko leban ngiji anan ma lebanen agoyi kemwa ile kitungo ni jina ginyo alen goger ko lor ni agun mechanics then go sum ne pole kakochunda Chemutai kokeny. So Eli Cheruyot mongen ale ikere ng'o sea.
Kongoi balozi Bitarono ak biik chetokere kosubech kakibwotyi fans chechok ak kasubikchok tugul eng kebeberwek tugul chemi Instagram, chemi Facebook, chemi YouTube ak chi age tugul nemoche ngot imokchinigei mbaret kale kujipanga mapema ko kampunit neki highly recommend ko kampunit nekile Optiven Property Limited ngikukulen iwe website iwe ola tugul inyoru kampunini ako kampunini kotinye ofisit neo ngolimba county nebo Nairobi. Wiyotok we highly recommend boisie kampunit notok Erastus Kamoto. Asante sana Erastus, naona unatufuatilia chini kwa chini Erastus. Ukitaka kununua shamba, kampuni tunakwambia kampuni Optiven Property Limited iko maeneo ya Nairobi, na utakosana na marafiki na mandugu zako ukitumia kampuni ya Optiven Property Limited. Balozi kasi kwako.
Amu agere in chundo in Chemutai koweksei.
Atinye shida nebo my networking inafika mahali na hang sababu labda simu zinaingia ina hang everything.
Okay.
So laini.
Chorono chao kasechi mobirchi Chemutai amu biik chao kobiru sokole akerin ing yun, so please omete Chemutai korok yekakoborok tetutiet obirchi simoshek. Chemutai koteyoe kele makelipanin mongen ale kikoi kolipanin ki anan kikonin kityo tati chebo mongen ale kakemwa ile ne chapati ak supu mongen ale
tumbukisa balozi ako
tumbukisa keboisie kainet ake netomo akase tumbukisa, so tomo akase notok. But Chemutai kameche kityo koteimwoiwech amu you know men ko perceiveni biik in a weird way. Nyokotebe kole ameche kechobwo karit kolejin ngurwa mekanika nyete itelelin yu kolejin au kusikia maikas ileji amite kole atafi mechanic atafika saa ngapi ileji mimi ndio mechanics. How do men react on that and what do you do with it? Does it bother you kokang'et chito kodauten neuyo len ngot ko inyendet anyun nechobe karit ko kaika kotebe karinyu awo komasta age? What do you tell men like that?
Yes, there is a phrase that says that customers are always right. But at some point, konyone jita gomeje, let's take amu generally I've engaged with different people with different mentality, different attitudes, but mostly what we do is megujita ne high-tempered, you will never succeed. Don't feel like kagera jiji kwa sasa. No, just talk. Hata kama hiyo kitu amesema inakuuma, humble yourself. Rudi tu chini umwambie we can handle this. Ibembele sana gileji, trust me on this. And let me tell you, one or two people they fall in. Na ukishapata customer mmoja, they will recommend your good work to different people. Hao watu wanajuana, they know themselves. Like for the brand that I'm working with, BMW right now, tutafika hapo. Let's start first from the scratch, kwenye nilifika mpaka kwenye niko sahi. And if in case this customer trusts you with that work, we jitolee tu na roho yako yote, and don't pretend that you know something when you don't know. Ngomenge nileja nigome mugakse. Yes. And if it is possible, it is possible. You know, ngonyo jita gomeja go seek an advice about your car, and you know everything. Ingen unajua hata sisi tunajuanga kama kitu imeharibika ama haijaharibika. You come to a mechanic, unamwambia nasikia kelele mahali, na tusha kusoma tukajua huyu mtu mwenye anapima tu watu. This person is not even ready to work on his car. He is not even ready to spend money. Unatafutanga kitu unamwambia, so this thing you can't even, awezi anda hata kilomita 100. Koto bwati tagoleje ke got ko kine delay ni suspension maendi more than 100 kilometers. Sikasaka golejin do this we fanya hivi, we fanya hiyo kazi. I trust on you. That is, you will not fail to get one or two. Lakini nayo wale wa madharau utapatana nao. If you are that person nagilen tustus kimbure ne ngandie chito na ibetukun unaichukulia vitu haraka, inareji simda ilia, you will not succeed. Yes.
So kongoi in Chemutai, so iyoe karisiek nguno ngimwa ile ichobe karisiek, kakas imwae BMW. Chemutai nguno nekit kwang'ololchini chorwa nenyu eng Washington DC. Kolecho achobe karisiek, lakini kole ane aspecializani eng Mercedes, yani chame Mercedes.
Yes.
Chemutai nguno kochobe karisiek ngircho, like what cars, or you make all cars? Anan ingiro le specializani?
Very interesting, Balozi. Kalenin 2019 ko kiami jua kali. Mwezi wa tano 2019, I got a job at Igere Nee. There is a company, the person Kalenin kitonon karit akokero ngakokero oloitoi kasi nyikolejin nekikyae kasi tuwain. This person ko permanently employed in you. Koleji as chichoto hapa tunategemeanga tu gari za kukuja, sometimes hatuna kazi hivyo na hivyo kolejo I can recommend to a friend, there is a garage nemite side za umoja huko negurege Igere Nee. Ko kikichenge a mechanic by then with an experience of 2 years and more, lakini ane mind you kiatinye experience chebo 5 months kitomo akot agure experience. So this person komanyo kwangu directly, kinyo the following day, in fact the following day kimanyo kasi nyokonyor the person nekikyae kasi tuwa koleji there is a lady nikowae tuwai kasi nyu amut, and I can recommend her to a place nangen mi a friend of mine. Koleji kwe question and asijata koleji kampuni yenyewe iko wapi, kwa maana information tukul. That person nekineta kasi, he was so caring. Like even though he was not paying me that much, it was worth it. Amu kijita nemwongoleji nanyu ground inyoru anyun binyoru biik cheimuten ole mengen. So be careful. Be very, very careful. Don't take any offer. Don't be intact with your like your life. Be careful about your life. You can build a life kwa hizo miaka zote umeenda shule na ukuje udestroy na dakika moja. It is possible. That is what this man usually tell me. Kwa kijam back in the mind, kwa kijam nguna ngungalalunjita korok itebe korok the details of the company, everything inaigorogile this person is he genuinely anataka kazi ama ni mambo zingine. Yes.
So kaimang'ung jua kale niwe
Yes.
sehemu za umoja.
Yes.
Kikoibe chundaunda kipkekonin kasi ne kitokotyemin bichoto kokolejin ikeku spanagal anan kipkekonin kasi ako iteimite umoja anan koinakte iwe kimasta age?
Yes. Kinyawe mwezi wa tano kubegunati keleja nyo interview. So I did an interview, and because I was the only lady, I don't know if I was taken because I was the only lady. I don't know. Ama ni Mungu, mina sometimes nasemanga ni Mungu tu. It is only God. In every situation, it is only God. So I passed on the interview. Keleja taigas mwezi wa sita. So we had to go and negotiate on the offer. Gingeleja CV na nyugo read any experience for 5 months. So that is a person nepkinda ngaro internship, not as a technician or whatever. So they agree, and with this the CEO, the new manager of the company, college, we are going to pay you 10,000. Hey, my friend, 10,000. I didn't even sita na got sign on the contract. I signed it with a lot of ease because kiagera ko growth and kiagera ko ka growing, and uko sasa ilikuwa kampuni iko na ma tools hizi za iko na hoist melenta chute gari
Chemutai kukemang'une ole cham iyoe kasi buch ichamba niwe 10,000. So I mean, even I say I will sign because coming from that type of imitumbo kisa atye nyo 10,000. So kiyai nyoto kotiani
kiagureno gishua betas kabisa. Ingian nguna mwezi wa sita sainan kama kikakile jagine nen uyo kale kigero chichi kole atinye bidii like I don't know, but kinya ingian company I work so hard. That was now 2019 mwezi wa sita wa saba na wa 8 na wa 9 na wa 10 for 5 months. You know, I was under probation for 3 months. Ke monitor na gegera oloitoi kasit for those 3 months. In 3 months kikikura kelecho you have now qualified to be paid 18,000 because of your work. Nilijituma. I did. Mpaka I was even not supervised. Kinge koit karit kialogete na kelechi nachukua job card. Hiyo ni gari yako wefa. Wefanya hiyo. I did my best. I did my best. In 3 months, kage confirm na agagete so mshara to 18,000. Yes.
So kongoi in kemu so kaitestai nekit kakoyan na nguno biik amu ingele nyokonyone kole ngiro mechanics ilechi kole tomo koit ilechi anendet. So abwati ale kakoyan, and the most important thing Chemutai nekakas ing yo ko kingimi jua kali ko kiyai kasi kot kokerin chi kole kacham oloito kasi chichi. So you know kimwachini chi tugul kelechini when you do something, do it to your best. Neko neityeme amu menae okot mara kokerin chi, so through God koboisie chichi koinyo kaiyam 18,000 ketaune 10 iwe 18 ang nebo iwe 18. So kiyai nito kotianit imite yotok anan kimong'ungyot anan kinyoru neile kaikai. Ako iyoe kari ngiro, which car do you specialize or all of them?
Yes, when I was in this company, you did any car. I was doing Mitsubishi, Toyota, hizi zote za magari za Japan. I was doing the German machines, every car. I was not specialized to any car. Yes.
So in short, Chemutai ngot komi chito nekaseching Nairobi nyo, Chemutai kwae kari age tugul. So ingitinye Mercedes, ngitinye no, take it to Chemutai and she will fix it.
Yes, true.
So kiyai nyo takotiani to Chemutai, did you continue teimi yoto ki mangu? And how did you transition? Amuni in kokigerin chi ko recommend, so are you still there?
Ki 2020 after 3 months kinyaingia mwezi wa 7 2020 ke confirm, and that was 3 months probation so yako mwezi wa 3, that was when the corona hit and things went south kwa gasi customers wakapotea, people were sacked of their job keleje nguna watu watapumzika. That was now mwezi wa 3. That was mwezi wa 4 sababu venye corona ili hit, it gave a period kota kwa affectan agot kazi atuendi sisi wote koger mkubwa kolejege this is a burden na umamite kasit ngajujui. I was among jegigilejage atonun kidogo asigegura. That was mwezi wa 4 2020. As Mashan before ale kyago kwa mayango la mugi mayango kikitebi tu ayago a graduate. So venye nili graduate 2019 hapo katikati before 2019 kwa travelan. So their company yake ikampea akatransferiwa aende Netherlands and yet to aende na familia yake. So nikabaki peke yangu Nairobi. Hapo nyuma sijasema.
Imenyano nguna Chemutai mugi jamiti nyole imenye, so where did you go?
So still to talk about my uncle, he support me, akaniambia nitafute nyumba amenigidhurai a single room negiva 1,500. So goleja my uncle, I'll pay for you, hiyo pesa unapata weji support agi support ngeg lakwen lakini kota libanu. So that was the best part about it. So kijamushare kiwo ingiani ana lega yakte correcta limba kurkat cheba lakwet agangetu agidogo chamati transport angne. So that was life. Yes. So 2020 mwezi wa 4 the reality hit me now. Amuga abroga be kasit kagitono no mange na lagitono ne for how long ago kagileje sige birwe sime mu 2 months angalal jima yango la leji ya kasit koleja mewega koleja ameje kityo ilya irelaxan ijen kasi ago sayo kagele lockdown mamiji niko kwa mahali sababu corona mena ile ibeneka. I stayed in the house abwata leji gate ngawega no jua kali roi sambu kelya ipkimungsa ule jamaa mwenye nilimwacha ngaitita keleja kwa in Kirinyaga Road Kirinyaga Road iko kwa tao Nairobi town. Nikamfuata, nikaenda nikamtafuta Kirinyaga Road. Amu kibet nini nambe, kiwal simet, kiuya kibet cha nambe. Kibet in sim card ko ma replace nini, ko ek namba cha mpya. Aga koistake ngole cha mangin. Tabo awendi bagati ko kakoistake nyoto kingen ko bet that connection. Aga awe ole lo melen kimi karibu yoto. So kupatana itakuwa ngumu. Ko kimteja awe as physically bajengele jogi yaptage kwa Kirinyaga Road. As atebi nyoto ale ngamunyi sing yuto sokolya mara anyoru akot kanai kasi kidogo mara anyoru nelyon nelejina ingengetin oroni kasi ngeyai as koleja ake in mi Kirinyaga Road akotinye in nini nebo spare parts ale bas ngawa bajeng aleji muta kyalibanji fare 20 bob kongetege Roysambu kebe akoi town ale muta kityo akot dukenyi ait kityongon ke duket kaita kuponyo wachicha ole cha kwa kiajengi na kotakine. Sasa unajua si ati tulipoteleana kwa ubaya. Ingen iskole kiawe kasi akongen ngole at least nimepata kazi, I'm comfortable wherever I am. Ale just kagitono na kasi anyunga ko be kasi. Ole jalia ngemunyi Kirinyaga Road mita kasisha kwa raulita ali kama Roysambu jo Kirinyaga Road ni kama jua kali tu bado magari zinakuja nyoengi ngo nyumba nini size za barabara huko mnafanya gari huko alezi asui maisha sahi mauat kinyas sahi amenye lazima ko ayekeleban kot lazima al chakula sasa sunaona amwaja explain koleja mamita ngala. You are now a mechanic. Kijambo kurana nyun nini beauty with brains. Kijambo lejina we ni mrembo uko na akili. You know yourself. Na sinanga aibu hata nilikuwa natokanga na overall safety boots. Awendi alanya karita awendi asa watu kotanga ngini biko lejina na nyungali wendi ano chepta neune. Sasa una imagining mtu anakwambia na hiyo urembo yote uliamua kukaa kwa overall. Sasa side things they pain you because already inside is suffering and someone instills bitter words, but me nikajiambia no, this one this one doesn't define my life. I am a better person. Skule kaya Kirinyaga Road ko corona emet mamita
kilebanin jijing anan malebanin
si sagaro kimite Kirinyaga Road mamita karisha choto kisakot ma corona emet mami chi nenyokochobe karisha kwa tu moja koleja iberberi ingian nini yeku ke broken ngalekab in spare parts ngiro chito nyikocheng ingen Kirinyaga Road machi tugul ne ingen chuams chebo spare parts ko ngiro chito ileji nata neimeche ingelya angen ole mitei unajua ile hisi ya mtu kutembea akiulizia ileji angen ole mitei ko ngimut yoto ko kaisikino ole nileji ngwaja juu. So I survived broking mambo ya spare parts kutoka mwezi wa 5 wa 6 na wa 7 for 3 months nikiwa Kirinyaga Road.
So ye broken broga ya.
Abroga ya tinganyoru nguno na konyo nyikochenge kityo ngolen ingen Kirinyaga atile yoto ale basigere ni komite duket fulani ak customer kyuk alechi ngebe kongolin ko kasikino ole nalechi kongen kole mi chachuk barak yo sisen taban ko birbage ini koi kakechengwa chachuk atinye 500 atinye 1000. That is how you survive as a ninja huku Nairobi. Yes.
So Chemutai so I broken got anything you know me corona emet yeah broken.
Yes.
How long were you able to do the broken you know teimi yota kanan ko inyoru kasi
haya broken ko kya broken is spare parts ngopit kasi ko ingele kanyor fresh kolenji tabit agenge karit yu nebo service so bwani kechangambuka haraka itinye 300 200 ngiteshi chikaba broken unaenda vizuri nyumbani unajipanga. Sasa ko kya for 3 months. That was kinye kitono na kasi mwezi wa 4 aingian mwezi wa 5 6 na 7. That was nikiwa Kirinyaga Road. As mwezi wa 8 atinye friend nenyunet neki kikanyor ne kampuni nekiyo and the first place koya kwa nini a poster nekikasir kele kimeche a lady nini mechanic ne lady koleja plan sai akemeche sai kengalale mwezi wa 8 akemeche chito nenyikotau kasi immediately. That was ilikuwa Kolangata Road sasa. I planned the job. Kopirwa chichoto kelecho nyo interview, that was mwezi wa 8. Awe interview kit mwezi wa 8 tarehe 3. Awe interview. Ipke interview na kelecho imeche siling ata. Abirisabu wale corona. Sis korogen ateme alleging how much do you offer? Koleja right now the business is down, but we can offer you 25,000. Alleging hapo sifikiri mara mbili. Alleging you will just monitor me the way I work. Mutanini, I can accept that for naeza accept you for now, but as you monitor my work, mujo teswa nango mo teswa. Sasa unajua mimi ni mtu talkative. I can address, I can speak my heart out, I can speak how I feel. So I'll accept that for now. Mind you, ikilibana 18 yunale corona eme 25. My friend, don't take a risk. Take asainan. Yes.
So koinyoru kasi nguno, so now kenyoru as kasi, this is a bigger company.
This is a bigger company.
Mato kukurin nekinya kile kokoit corona kobek yoto nindanin. Ibiyai broking ing yu, imangu broking nye iwe kasi ko iwe company. Mnyono company ni kiyoe nguno. Na noto kinyoru.
This is not the company that I'm working. To maitu company na brand BMW na ami age.
Okay,
We are talking about 2020 mwezi wa 8. Mwezi wa 8 2020 aingia kampuni negile Kamax nemite Lang'ata Road. Kanivo Yumba Kanivo. So mwezi wa 8, 9, 10, 11 na 12 na January 2021 last year.
So ke ay noto negit arawek ata karibu arawek lo kora isa na mut.
Arawek lo ay noto arawek lo kilibana 25,000. As I give my best, like my best. Kiyotas kumagai vanas kabisa mafundi. Magegura na god mechanic ako jensen guided mechanic ama technician now.
Oh wow.
Ako kini ko toreto, you know, I combine mechanical part na electrical. So electrical is in company negi kumatajang big chebo electrical. So nilikuwa nimeiva so both sides. I can nini electrically and mechanically. So hiyo ni kitu ilinisaidia. Yes.
So I need to go and then kolya, so you know ako kito kete soon about we meet 25 ko imangune 18 ang nagai 25 kito kete soon amu gele jiji kero loy taigasen got kolya iteswa kito katesanan kitelele 25.
Sasa 2021 last year January anyoru this now the company that I'm working now anyoru what do we call it? I had a friend negia company negio konyor nita nego gichenga lady netinye more than 2 years experience in this company now in Cape Kenya. Yes.
So guy kagoni 2 years kai qualify, yes. And it appears to me that the award of mouth has been very important for you amu keeping friends, you know, keeping joronok
yes.
Maimete jijigenya negiba in Roysambu kung gitaring nyota iwege ilang ngajeng neginya kukako kwama no lilang kapacheng ibinyoru iyai broken nyota imiota kopit afreng kora no college mi to company take wa plan college ngora jorwe take a plan. So you know ikenyo ndan nito ni ki mite in kimwaunji kelejin mite iwe interview kelejin ata amu about we meet 25.
So mwezi wa pili last year kegura interview. Sasa nya interview nyuta ko gikia interview asak pika university. Ikia pika university interview. Mind you ane ko amaina ami mangena got kigure na got ami ngonyun CV na nyugo ride ni kityongane, but who is God anyway? God does everything in a miraculous way. Ke interview ki shortlist ne korong ki iwe interview korong nabo through Zoom I think they were checking the nini confidence nabo jito. So they did an interview through Zoom and then ke shortlist na for a virtual interview now wendi as physically. We had an exam. Ko ngaje mutai kya maso lago tono neme. As college college of this company, how much do you want us to pay you? Hey, that is the worst. I don't know. Mangen that word ale kita unaona. I think there is a lazima watafutange venye wanaweza uliza juu wanaulizanga mtu ako na njaa, how much do you want to pay you, like inakuchallenge wewe mwenyewe kwanza unashindwa where to start. This is a big company, this is a big brand. Igeri leje gara kwa mi 25 bara gale sosomi acha sosom konguya o kampunit missing anangate meg jale sosom so goger kitole inda. So that was the challenge. College of this person, so they have their own offer. See kitchonganile kitese anan magitese. And this offer was it was a permanent contract. I've gotten a job already. That was we are talking now. Confirm and give me the last part. Sign any offer. So they give me what they give me. Let me not air that for my personal reasons.
Chemutai makimeche sinyokosubin chi kole Chemutai kotinye lakini lekityo maya le it was better than where you are. So ako ngalekab interview komwoe kole ingen yekai ole mi. So kimeche kelechi kora chi nesome kasi kole ngotebenan kole meche kelipanin ata itebe ilechi bichotok what is the offer okonu na amu tindoi what is the range. Itebe
yes, they do.
So
they do by
range kotya si keri ile imi katikati yono amu mameche kora imwa chechang si yon biik amameche imwa che ngering kokeny so kole chito uyo disparate chichi. So kararan iteb tuchi ile range no tindoi anan range ng'wa kotya so komwaun ibutyi katikati. So anyway Chemutai, so kikoi inyoru na kaikai kosir yu koimi. I'm assuming ole it is better than 25. It is, you know, yame corona, yame chutokol.
Amago tumbukiza.
So at least you can go to Hilton, you know, so Chemutai keseren kasi yemwaite chotok kokonin offer na kararan.
Yes. I cannot complain and I thank God.
So login sai anyun imi permanent job imi BMW nguno.
So Inchcape they have Jaguar Land Rover as a different department. They have BMW as a different department, but yote iko Inchcape. So it is an after sale, whatever company in any department. So wane BMW as a brand now. So I'm specializing now as a BMW. Matinye gari age no ajobe kityo BMW right now.
So Chemutai ngotatinye BMW anan ngotindo ose BMW inyone ichenge Chemutai in Nairobi ole imiten. You know, where is your company located?
The company is in Westlands and Enterprise Road. Yes. Okay. And we have also a new baby at Mombasa. It was ilifunguliwa this starting of this year, January. So we are growing.
Okay. So when you jita BMW job, you know, you will make a BMW no problem. O sea, ame just sige kita sa tayo bar jibi, you know, ye junda jita ko nyuri Chemutai ko miya overall. Abwati ale tayo overall.
Yes, a point of correction. Yes. So I transitioned from an overall to inimanguo sasa. I'm a technician now. I don't have an overall. I'm having a technical clothes.
So you're in Nguno, what do you do?
Yes, here hapa tunafanya everything entailing, kuna overall, tunafanya mambo ya diagnosis, everything.
So ngonyo jita konye gari ne ako BMW o diagnose ni ko fixen bi, yes. You know, ga iborchi bi kityo ugele promotion no nyende tunguno nye diagnose ni ikaba itileji jita ileji osea ameche kechom nyang.
Yes.
Ko testai kityo nye goji jita ileji chogo igucho.
Yes.
All right, so kongoi so engebe barata ko igere Chemutai ile kako transition from broker kanyo kwa ingen parts kanyo kwa mangola kwa Mitsubishi kwa jatugul ogo nguno kimite na kimi BMW. So BMW is a very good engine ago nagilen the performing engine ago mi Chemutai inyorchini kebebertab Nairobi. So Westlands ngimeche icheng ko icheng Chemutai sikobit kochobun karit ngitinye BMW. Ko kongoi Chemutai mara kebendi ketesetai Chemutai kimeche kotakemwa kongoi Evans Kipngeno akerin kosubech Berry akere kora kotokosubech Janet Cheptoo kelen kongoi Jonas Kips Samsung Kirwa Semen anan Simen kelen kora kongoi kakole congratulations tapkiken nebo Jeiso kokale kora ingolo inspiring story. Kongoi ing akwek tugul chekakosubech akotakemwae kele so kito nekararan nekanai ing yu ko kararan ikiben choronok amu word of mouth komandoin. Yeyoe kasit neyoe ikilchigei kasing'ung mara kakokerin chito koker kole you never know ngap konyone chito nyokochobe karit kokachobe karit ako kakocheng'e an employee konyokokere chito koker chito ole keng'ololchindoite ole ke receiven karit ole tuguk chekemwochi koker kole fair ipkoker kole oroni an employee nekararan mutai koekse chito kolechin you never know who you are dealing with. Tekose kolechin chito atinye kasi eng yu tos ibitu you never know. So kararan ingiyoe kiy neyoe give it your best akitestai kou notok. Chemutai kongoi amu kainyo kakosubin biik kokerin chito koker kole ioroni chito nekararan. So that is a plus eng tukchu tugul. Ko ketesetai Chemutai mara ko kakosubechi ing yu kakosube chito koker kakonyong nin kikebwa ang nin kimite Roy Sambu kakebwa Westlands kanyekebwa kanye iwe Roy Sambu nyeinyo ole tugul ole imi Nairobi kikwang kole limbo Netherlands imitei kakele mongen ale imenye ano ngorit olin so kaimeny olotok Chemutai mara komi chi nemi yu akokere kole Chemutai nekolyon so is Chemutai booked anan tomo ako what are the limitations eng Chemutai so mara kokere chi kole aker chi neikilegei I like a hard working person anan achicha what will you say Chemutai? You are muted.
Balozi. I am happy wherever love situation I'm happy.
Okay. So kongoi. Kongoi kinen Chemutai is happy wherever she is and she's enjoying life. She's able to go to Hilton. You can see she's happy. I'm sure you can choma nyama ngolaba in Nairobi vizuri. Chemutai is doing really good. She's dealing with BMW. Akobaiba Chemutai. So kongoi gimeje inyorchigei ijob karit, karit nemeje ijob, especially if it's a BMW ijeng Chemutai, lakwetab ka nemuchi kochobun karit komie. Ine ko ki specialize na ngalekab electrical ak ngalekab wiring. So mechanics and electrical. So kikombinan tukun chechang tukyo tugul imuchi kofixen karit komyeit. So metabot yeiwendi ichenge Chemutai kochobun karit, she will fix it and make sure ile kokonin guarantee. Kararan komi mechanic nelechinin kofixen karing'ung akokonin guarantee kolechin meweksei you for 2 years anan ko 3 years kolechin your service. So that is the kind of mechanics or engineer we are dealing with. So biikab Nairobi namwae kele nongisach kosache ka ocheng Chemutai sikobit kotoretok. Ameche keweke akoi kebeberta nebo Australia sikobit koteb tebutienyi Osea ketesetai kouni Osea.
Kongoi Balozi Bitarono meche kora tabwatchi kasubik chok tugul cheisubech eng kebeberwek tugul cheisubech eng kebeberta nebo Facebook cheisubech eng YouTube ak cheisubech eng olimbo kebeberta nebo Instagram alechi ngimakchinigei eng olimbo Nairobi ko kampunit ne we highly recommend ko kampunit nekile Optiven Property Limited. Ko kora ngimakchinigei kora karit ko kakenyoru chepkerichot nebo karisiek nito ko Chemutai eng olimbo kebeberta nebo Queensland Westlands. Kongoi Stano Sile kosubech all the way from Western Australia. Kongoi arap Kapsile Sharon Kilel kala isubech akere chi nekile Young Pitok asante sana. Ole Kipchumba asante sana. Natak Bruno Tarus Bruno mwenyewe asante sana Bruno. Kip Mungai asante sana akere kosubech kabisa kitinye biik kobun takwek cheterchin cheisubech ngemboutab rani. Agere notok ko Janet Cheptoo. Janet Cheptoo kole watching live all the way from Olimba County nebo Uasin Gishu. Kongoi Evans Kimngeno, asante sana. Kibet Alan, asante sana. Kongoi kora ko H Bernard kale congratulations, 1,000 miles starts with one step. That's true. Jonah Kips kale ose just to listen if that company wako na magari saha kuuza. Tebe jijo kakutebchigei jijo kole tos mwawesach my question kora ko in connection tos itinye karit ako tos itoretech kikure nganyo ane ose akomuch koam bichi abun olimbo tulwa mwetun tos itoreti chito iadviseni ilechini karit nebo maana koni tos iyoe ng'alechot anan kasing'ung kityo koiborye ng'alekab iyat ak imwawech ile ara Chemutai ni kakisubi kong'ete olin tos kikerchin ano in the next 5 years or what is your long ne plan itinye ingen ile ne plan tos mi comfortable iwakini with a BMW or mi ki age neibwoti ak tebutiet age, what's your advice to the young girls ngilenge mwakte konde ko chang tugun chetesetai nyoru chito ngomatikonyor kasi komuch kobetegei sobet anan konyor boisiet ako ng'ering'en chepkondok konam rogoet atyo kole ngebesio ak ng'onyuni. So what's your message to the young girls? Ak imwawech ile ne challenges chemuch kokiro ngele aje keng'ololjini biik komong eng olimbo risop ne neilechini chito much komi Kaptumo, Musombor, olimbo man ilechini oye ongemande town anan. So what's your message to the majority of the masses?
I think aitebena maswali karibu atajin huyu akana mayengi chongan gele zo the first one gele alein among if I can advise you when you are still new in this mambo ya magari
tos advice and down. Yes.
Yes. Advising about the new person gomeje kwal garit. You know, as a technician, we know everything. So sometimes mara imeje yal garit second hand jito ama issue ile ki engine imetolewa ama bado. So you always ask for a technician to supervise that car. Afanye pre-delivery inspection before kwanza hiyo gari ifanye ununue. So I do also, mi nafanya I do pre-delivery pre-delivery inspection before you buy that car. I have to advise you, nikwambie sasa ose be aware this car imetolewa engine, hii engine yake si yenye iko kwa chassis ya gari, so if anything happen you have to be aware. Yes.
Ne age mwawech ile ara kinamchinin ano ing kenyisiek karibu 5 chemi tai yo tinye kenamchinin Westlands anan tos kinyorun ko kainakte anan tos kairekte itokchigei olimbo Kaptumo anan tos kaitokoshu itokchigei ole kimi.
Yes, in 5 years to come, I see myself in a very different and better position. First of all, I have this passion with Kurana Biga, I don't know what to say, but with my fellow ladies, I feel like we need to empower each other. I feel like we have, there is nothing that is hard. Keep off that mentality that we have to work in an office. Even in those overalls, it is your office because that is where it is paying your bills. That is where your siblings are getting their school fees. That is where you are building yourself as a brand. So around that comfort zone. Yeah, like hiyo ni mambo ni kazi ya that is a male dominating whatever field. No. We are here, we embrace. So in 5 years to come, asa Mungu got maybe I'll have on my own company, even if it is a small kajuakali. I'll be my own boss. I empower other people. I employ other people because right now we are in a chaotic society. We are in a place where people are going jobless. Watu hawana kazi. People unasikia watu they died through depression. Depression imekosiwa na unasoma na usipate kazi. So kazi yako mwenyewe personally, when you are your own boss, you feel motivated, you work hard, more hard. That is what I see myself in 5 years to come. I be my own.
Kongoi kimakun ki age tugul nemi. Ameche kityo itesyi angen ale this industry ko so challenging ngap komi some challenges. What's your message to our fellow colleagues chemuch ngap ichunde ingen ile kakile mechanic ko iipchi komakosani problem eng karit anan ngap imande much kechobun karit ngobit oret age yo komuch komi tugun che kakicherunot. So what's your message eng industry ya wae boisionik and then sikeweke back to Balozi.
This industry, it entails a lot of things. First of all, personally, inyendet korok chito korok neyoe venye unafanya hiyo kazi. Ni mtu unajituma. Do you know what you are doing? What is like ngichobe garit chito gari kikujanga, especially gari nikakitoe na magongete magolion. Ukipewa gari ni kama mtu mwenye hata it can't communicate anything. Hata weke ignition haikuangi ikiwasha mataa. It is now you ukae chini ufikirie hii gari, how will I do ndio ifanye nini ifunguke hizo macho. So the only thing is you personally give your best with anything that you know you can do the best. That is all I can say.
About ngalekab integrity ngap kasi. What's your message in ngalekab integrity ak ngalekab at least ngap mi wakati ne ma terchin kebeberwek ngap ileni kebeberta age ko so ameche ing'ololchi kasubikyok tugul ilechi oyie ngokonech boisiet achek ko ki ladies keyoe boisiet ne mutai kometinye wasiwasi ak chi age tugul ameche ing'ololchi. It's your opportunity now ilechi oyie kimi yu ngikonech karit ak ki age tugul keyoun kabisa mutai metinye wasiwasi nemetinye afterthought.
Yes, we have done it and we are doing again. So it is possible. Ladies, usiende pale ukaona ni ladies anahudumia gari yako uanze kusema hata ni kama mguu haitafungwa. Who told you that? It is something that you are doing yenye ulisomea, you are passionate about it. Hakuna mtu alikulazimisha. It is not in this company, nobody is anakuwa employed mwenye ajui mambo ya magari when you don't have a technical field about it. So it is what do I call it? Amu already gigele kini kesa personality, what men can do also ladies can do better. No, we are talking about working smart. We are not competing. Because Kotale, what men can do, ladies can do better. I'll be wrong because kuna mambo sitafanya yenye wanaume wanafanya. But I will work smart. What is that thing that nitafanya that will ease that load yenye ninge input? Unajua mwanaume anaweza beba, let's take for example gari ya kuna V8. Kuna the latest nini ya BMW V8. Mguu yake ukuanga mzito. So hiyo mguu huwezi shika hivi ukabeba juu. There are some tools you have to suspend with. Lakini mwanaume anaona anachoka kitambo abembeleze na hizo tools zingie kwa nini zake, anachukua anabeba anadunga pale anafunga. That is the difference. You have to work smart. Yes, and we can do it. Like because I've interacted with customers, I've done this work, nimefanya si ati nile unasaidiwa, you are doing like every detail. Ile kazi anafanya wanaume wanafanya pia na wewe unafanya. Na si vibaya uulize usaidiwe, because hata ukiwa shule naambiwa don't overreach. When you can lift something, ask for assistance. Hata pale kwa kampuni zinaandikwangwa ziko kwa nini, kwa part of the nini of the safety inaitwa hazard. So ukiona hiyo mguu mtu akikuja apata una bend mgongo yako, utaulizwa, that is not right. You have to ask for help. So hizi vitu it is there and we can do it.
So kongoi nye Chemutai. Ko atinye tebutiet agenge Chemutai nameche ateb ale ichome kasining'ung. Do you like, will you trade it for another job, or you like your job? Do you like it with passion, or what can you say about being a mechanic? Do you enjoy? Is it rewarding? It's what can you say?
For sure, Balozi. I enjoy so much. I do it with a lot of passion. Like it comes within me. Ile unapatanga hivi wewe mwenyewe unajisikia yenyewe I'm a mechanic. Yes, I'm a mechanic. I love that. I love doing this. Yes, nobody forced me. It is something that I make a decision myself. Kuna, on that note, kuna ile like if you are watching and you feel like someone is pressuring you to do something, that is not passion. Hiyo ni kitu mtu amekulazimisha because it is not within you. Naweza isomea kitu umenilazimisha nisomee na si kitu I will do it nikipenda. Nitakuwa nafanya nikisema sasa balozi aliniambia hii course inakuanga mzuri, wacha nijaribu nione. No, do something that you personally you love. Yes.
So kongoi amu ichome kasini. Ko kakatebe ose ang yo kole in ngot konyo ose rani, you know, like I mean BMW is a fabulous
Yes.
car. It's a wonderful car. It's a wonderful engine. It's an expensive car. Ngot konyo chito nekotare university anan ko kotare konyor fast job. Ako lo ameche aal karit kakateb chi ing yo kole oaldoi karisiek kora. So other than just kechop, ko would you advise a young person kwal no anan ilechini no for now ameche itaune karit ne affordeni ako ne makali amu ngeibin cham kemwoe kele BMW ko lazima keib kwa company you know mapkeoe chwa kali, so because it's a very specialized vehicle.
Balozi, ako ngengalali kora ko kawe sites eng emetab Australia, kale the highest paying sites eng Australia chebo automotive technician, ko ngimi Queensland olimbo Australia koliponi $36 an hour, Sydney ko $34, $33, ko olimbo Bankstown, Melbourne ko olimbo kora Bwakili ko 31, Canberra ko 31 ak Sydney ko $30 an hour. Ako chepkondok che karibu elibu somok chepkondokab Kenya eng sait agenge. So aji nguni ngiwoken saisiek, wae saisiek ata Kenya nani?
From 8 to 5.
8 to 5 tako karibu saisiek 8 to 5 karibu saisiek 8. So saisiek 8 inile elibu somok ko karibu elibu 20, 24,000. So 24,000 jaame chitab abronit eng emoni ko kamekan kityo betut agenge. So aji ile keyai eng betusiek 10. So 24,000 times ko 240,000, 240 chepkondokab Kenya chako eng betusiek eng arawet agenge.
So in other words, in short, in osea anan in biik cheisubech ko kinongen ane Chemutai ndenyone olep America kiyo mechanic ame chepkondok chekisise kityo. It's a lot of money, you know, to be a mechanic is a wonderful job. Ndakiawekse ile asiketebena keleja what do you want to do, I would probably join and be a mechanic. You know, I would have gone back akole ngoborye noto. So you are in a very wonderful career and a field. Ako kacham tuguk chekemwa ang yo in ile imeche in the future ionen your own or ndaminin ionen your own company. Taweksei kora nekatebe ale ngot konyo osea, you know, kotare osea university ako mong ako young person karit BMW ko karit ne magibe ola tugul, magibe chwa kali, you have to take it to the dealer sikobit kochop koker. Would you advise that young person kotaune Mercedes anan ilechini cheng karit neminen korok situn koikimitu inyoni age, and why?
Balozi unaniweka kwa moto. You know I have to protect the brand, but even as ourselves in Gambunit, we are told we are dealing with high-end people. We are dealing with delicate customers, the rare customers. That is what they call. Sababu mkoite jita kwa BMW, that is a person that has succeeded in life. Like he has achieved the best. That is the best term to call. Yes. Sababu hiyo gari, a snippet about it. Hiyo gari kuja service peke yake, it is not less than 150,000. That is a service peke yake.
So, you know, in short, in Yeguma Magari nebo chitugul, so idilene high-end people, and it is wonderful. Kumagunjam nyajinye Chemutai yeitesetai, ako kameche kityo abwatun kuye kamwa osea ndagelun dun besho ngot ko meat kampunit ngolo ngot ko gelun kele kabit amu inye kakeri ibune choronok cheng ngolo in Australia anan ko America kiteb ile ng'on yoe mechanics, who is a mechanics, ko ngot ko konin kasi ngole inye iwendi emon, you will be the best, especially nginyo kilechi biik I deal with BMW, you will go even, it's something else, you know. So ngemakun chemyach yeiwendi tesetai kunotok ko ameche keweke nguno nyekebwa ng'oliot no kimwoe kelen takeaways ne nekakinetegei Chemutai eng yu asikobit yekitar notok kekonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let amu akere kasarta kokakwo. Ko kongoi ngakwek Janet Cheptoo, kelen kongoi Timon Kirwa, kokale kelejinin kongoi Jonas Sips, Perpetua Toroitich kitakelen kongoi eng ngakwek tugul chekaosubet, laikan ak ishean atya iyokwech comment eng program nenyo. Kibwotun kora akobo Optiven, kibagengeit nebo mite kebebertab Nairobi, yemeche ialchigei kur anan ko mbar imwochi iwe inyoru kibagengeini. Boisie kora Tamolife ngimokchinigei chaik kimuchi kiyokun. Atya kibwotun kora akobo no kimwoe kelen kampunit ngimeche imakatan iwe notok kikure Ndonyo Mart asikobit kemaketanun kampuning'ung. So otuitosi ak Janet sikobit kotoretin komaketanun worldwide. Ko Osea, mongen ale eng panitak pa chepkametinyo ko kainetegei ne, what are your takeaways kobun inendet chepkametinyo notok Engineer Viola Chemutai kobun kebebertab Nairobi. So kainetegei ne Osea?
Kongoi Balozi Bitarono, ameche kityo kora tikibwotyi biikchok Balozi amawe amwae ng'alek chekanetegei. Ameche tikibwotyi biikchok kele mi boisiet nekeyoe neketoreti Daktari Joel Kimeto nekikicherugei koki timitab Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin kele ngetech one of the modern studio ngolimbo county nebo Kericho. Ngot ko koiplechen kiwechi kongoi, ngot ko timi oret kimong'u kele ngot ketare aketeche studio ne Daktari Joel Kimeto ko kakotiny ako lazima ko kaiplayen role age tugul. Ngimuchi iwe bi volunteer koitagat, ngimuchi ial simendi koitagat, ngimi emetab Australia akimeche itoret Daktari Joel Kimeto, kitinye chitugul eng state nebo emetab Australia chekokochergei ako volunteer kole lideni kotoreti Daktari Joel Kimeto. Ngimi Adelaide South Australia komuchi icheng'a, ngiwe olimbo Melbourne Australia inyoru wakili Charles Koech, ko ngiwe olimbo Sydney Australia kitinye Sugut Benjamin Sugut, kitinye Mili, kitinye angot Agnes Pirech chemi Sydney Australia. Ko ngiwe Queensland inyoru Chemweno, niweke iwe emetab Western Australia inyoru president notok Steve Sitianei. Ko ngikrosen iwe olimbo emetab America, ngimi Ohio inyoru Balozi, inyoru Janet. Ko ngiwe kora akoi emetab olimbo China inyoru chepkametit notok kobune notok ko Faith Maina. Ko ngonyiwe kora olimbo Dubai inyoru Aspel. Ako la tugul kimi oret ketoreti Daktari Joel Kimeto. A quick update Balozi, kanyoru chukakinyoru ko $30 ko chebo biikab mukono chobo kityo chobendi chematinye any skill at all ng'alekab, lakini chi nekakosomonchi kunani ko kakere eng yu ko around $60 an hour. $60 an hour ngokaiwe sukul ako ngokale notok itinye experience nebo less than 1 year inyoru karibu 60 and above, lakini ngitinye experience for more than 1 year yome akoi $100 an hour as a technical ko ndetesti diagnosing chakemwoe nani ile yai package chamuch imwochi chito ile kaidiagonise karing'ung ni ko line rate imi karibu $120 an hour. So challenge ko inyendet kora ak chi age tugul kora ameche akechallenge kora biik chebwone kolimbo emetab Kenya. Ngiitu emoni akimuchi iyai boisionik chotok, ngimuchi nyisomonchi tos technical courses. Ako kiit age Balozi, chito ne kikwaitat course kale a requirement kora inyone emetab Australia komuch inyoru, much kesponsanin, much kosponsanin a company ako easily Kitisa kale to PR pathway inyoru permanent residence eng emoni amu kikere kele you are an employer in future ak yae boisiet nemoe biik chechang, so king'ololjini biik cho kora kelejini you can start ngot ko kiuriangan kasit eng high school much itaune Eldoret Polytechnic, after Eldoret Polytechnic itou igrowen itestai ak imulikani mbele. Chang tuguk chekanetege. Netai ko never give up, me given up in life. Ngikas atindiot nebo Chemutai ko kikakoit ipkomech koyait kasit olikinye kwoldoi sambusa lakini matiko given up ak kisochanun in life. Kit age nekoro ko confidence nekitindoi despite the fact meche kokorom kasit ikere ile kitinye nyikanatet kidogo ako nit nekokinetege eng biik chekokeinterviewen the successful people che 80% of it ko the confidence. Kit age kono iyoktoigei, at least kikere kele acha bronito kwo matikokean kole kwo kocheng'at boisiet, kwo kityo kosub oret kocheng'oti boisiet. Angot ko kaisoman komeche illustraten ile kiwe sukul, much iyai kiy, much ivolunteer eng mahali. Ngivolunteerni do to your best because menae ile ng'o nekerin. Another thing nekanyoru very very important, don't pretend. Komengen kito kome pretenden, ngingen ingen, so me pretenden. Ango ngiwe mahali angot ngomin rubet ako meleite biik yong'ot, ngomin rubet ile oye yake, me pretenden. Another thing, motivate yourself. Another thing, keepen motivate yourself. Angot ngiyai boisiet imwa ile I will do it. Ay, motivaten. Ya tom ko motivaten chi itau imotivaten ge mwenyewe. Another thing, go keep your friends. Keep your friends ko your network. And lastly but not least, passion. Ki age tugul ngiyote karit iyat with a passion. So ngialdoishei ialdoishe with a passion. Tejo chekoib eng kemboutab rani eng episode.
Kongoi nyeosea ko eng ane ko nekit kanyoru no kilen me don't burn bridges, me pel darajosiek yelande kemasin. So amwoe kuno ikere Chemutai kanyor chichi miro isambu ko kelach overall eng gaa akwo atya kwai kasi eng gaa kimakelipani ako mi tumbukisa, lakini mwishowe ko nyanyor boisiet nin ko kakiben choronok networking komanda eng yotok, lakini kitun kora nyakowek ing yundo konyor chichi kinye ing olin kwae chu kakilen in broking. So kero ndakikabanan bridges ko kamatanyo kocheng'e chichi, so mebel darajosiek ko kailande kimasin kiben choronok amu bo kamanut menoe ile lion abuch ki age tugul newendi barak kowekse ng'uny. Kimeche kora kesom kele kito nekakinetege ko no kimong'u eng comfort zone, metebi ing yun akekwaman kuyo kikibirchi ribet. Mang'u ing yun akiwe asikobit isob, ako no kimwoe kelen initiate a process ko inye. Eku inye ne initiaten, mekan koek nekakisukumanchin kito ui nea sikesukumanchin akwo kiyoto makoi tokosta. Eku optimistic ku inendet, yani nyoru kamang'unet ing yeiwendi atya ionen eku optimistic inai ile uye eng tai olin amakchinigei kuni. Chemutai komeche tun konen kampunit akot nda mining kokase kole bo kamanut, lakini yo iyoe ibwotchini kunotok ikilgei akiyai boisiet, ituchigei boisionotok akiyai nebo man. Kimeche kora kibwotwo kele ngikiyai technical courses ko noto neimuchi kotoretin cho kimwoe kelen skilled works. Chemutai yeiwendi iyoe kasit no iyoe ikuskong kora iker emotinwek cheu Canada, cheu Australia, cheu New Zealand ak iker ile imeche biik cheu mechanics cheu ne. In fact chito neu inye ngot ikoite CV neng'ung nebo mechanics nakiyai ko rahisi kokonin points cheiwendi iyoe ak ibitaune emon kiyoku no kilen sponsored. Ko ngot iwe oli ko kampunit no kemeche iyat nemining iyote kampunit neo, it is very possible, imukoksei. Ak chi age tugul nekakwai skilled work iker ile ne nemakat, meiwe ile ameche bayai sijui engineering nelione, lakini start with the skilled work nakiyai. Biik chakiba technical courses ku emotinwek cheu Canada komeche biik, emotinwek cheu Australia komeche biik che skilled workers chekiyai ng'alekab mechanics, plumbing, tukcho tugul. Imukoksei tukcho tugul biik chok. Kimeche kemwa kongoi eng akwek tugul chekakosubech Jonas Kip, Faith Minor kosubech kobun kebebertab China. Kongoi Faith, chang biik chekomwoiwech kole iye kicherokis ko kaikas chepkametinyo nemi oli, ngot komi ng'alekab mechanics olobo China, connect with her kakokemwaiwech ile ing olin kemeche technical subject courses cheu mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics ak economics. Mongen as ngot kemeche biik chebo technical engineer lakwani ako inendet ko ki specialize ing mechanics ak electrical. So igere ile mitei kebeberwek oeng. So kelechinin Faith Maina, reach out and let us know. Kongoi ing akwek tugul chekakosubech ing takwek cheterchin. Kakeboiboitu ako kibwoti kele kaocher age ing oret age anan ko age. Yeking'etyi eng yu kebendi kebeberta age mongen ale ano, lakini tekecheng'e biik chok kenai kele mieno. Kong betutab rani ko kakitinye inendet engineer Viola Chemutai, our guest number 66 kobun kebeberta nebo Nairobi. Chemutai kimeche kekonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let sikobit ing'ololchi biik chok, kosubik chok tugul chekakosubech, imwochini ne. Mising ameche ing'ololchi wasichana ak ing'ololchi murechu nyokoren, ngomi chito kaptumo kotebi eng yu ko kikibirchi ribit, mameche komong. Inyoru kolechin Chemutai kole mabel kot. Maibel kot Chemutai, but kimang'une tumbukiza, now you can go to Hilton and career neng'ung kowendi kotesetai, you work on a high-end company in a very reputable company eng olimbo Nairobi. Amu kimang'u akile ameche amanda, so kichame keker tibik chok komi melen kocheng'e kasi, mi luget koborye boisionik ako komekani sure kole kakiyai tuguk chekororon. Kimeche kemakun chemyach, ko kimeche kekonin boroindo imwa ng'alekuk chebo let sikobit ketar tetutiet Chemutai.
Kongoi missing Balozi. Alena mamwa my parting short words. I don't know if they manage waingie kwa Facebook. Alejini kongoi missing my family. My uncles, they've been my great support system. I celebrate them each and every day. Agot kwa lejini kwa birchini simet aina lejin kale kaya gun chaba lanchi akyama lejin ngotep kityonga salia betu nakobwa ka anai kit nekai. It is the small things that we like. Ngiyokyi akot kyayokyi chotok akaleji no, this is just go and buy something that you love. Koker kole katati toretegei aleji no, it is not that kacheru amu atinye chechang anan motinye. It is something that I do to appreciate you and I'm very much grateful. Thank you so much, Uncle tugul. I know you from Netherlands akoi chemite Kenya chemi Mosoriatano. You have watched me grow, and I'm very much grateful. If it was not you, I don't know, I could not even be standing before these people testifying the great deeds that God had done to my life. I'm very much grateful. Gongoi missing Sigiberura. My last words, my parting shots was, get out of your comfort zone. Get out of that thing that unaonanga ngen mibikelen ara kibendi Nairobi pkeaine. I remember si kila mtu and if it was like for me, if it was I lose hope, like kanyoru sistan, let's take for example kiatinye sistan agale this is the end of life, I'll not like matinye kiy age netobwoti. Right now I could be maybe married with kids nikiwa tu in a terrible state. I don't want to imagine, but get out of that comfort zone. Have that crown on yourself. Vayo na useme yes I can. Nothing is impossible. Keep discouragement jenyoru, those things that people throw on you, those stones, use them to build your empire. Sababu you'll not be like wanasemanga hao watu wanakurushia mawe, wanakurushia na wanakumonitor, wanataka kuona wewe ukirushia wewe mawe, how do you react? If you are that person, unaanguka, utarushia wewe mawe, utengenezewa hapo kamilima, ukufie pale ndani. Use those stones to build your empire. Another thing is networking, friends. Watu wanasema siku hizi marafiki hawako, but let me tell you, keep those friends that you have. If there is a friend that mention your name in a room of opportunity. Never lose that friend. I have a lot of friends. I know they are following here. I have my mechanic friends, ladies. I have 3 that I know. They are working in different companies. And because we were in touch every time, hata asazile si huko kazi namwambia mko aje huko, ukipata ka opportunity rushia mwingine. Make that circle, because there is a beauty when you win together. Sometimes tunapatananga tunasema tunakula lunch, everyone has his own money, lakini tunasema let's now meet and have a very good lunch. This is the lunch that you have never had. Tuende hata tujispoil mahali tukule lunch, you know, because you can afford that lunch at the moment. And there is a beauty when you yourself, watu nyinyi wote as a friend, when you win, there is a sweetness with it. Usikae pale ukasema ngigasi opportunity le kata kurtini anum college kiage acha mekurja kosirin. We have different like capabilities chabaji tukul, we differently, we win differently. That those people wanatoka university wanaingia kwa makazi za juu safari moja, that is their nini yao, lakini kuna hule lazima upitie step by step, one step at a time. Walisema Rome haikujengwa in a single day. It takes decades, like ilichukua muda. So challenge yourself, never feel like you see, you know, mi siwezi, that word usisia isema siwezi, never. Yes, you can motivate yourself, be yourself wherever. Ujiwe mwenyewe, it start from you. Yes, thank you so much.
Kongwe.
There is a
Yeah,
question, kuna swali aliuliza, I don't know if it was John or who, alisema if we have cars. Yes, we have our showroom where we sell Land Rover and BMW. It is in Westland. There is a building that is in Westland opposite Kempiski, kwa hiyo Chiromo Road. That is where we have our BMW and Jaguar Land Rover. We do sell. Yes.
Kongoi. So ngimakchinigei karit iwe kebeberata ngimakchinigei BMW. Kongoi Eric Maraba, kongoi Faith kokeny eng kebeberta nebo olimbo China. Ko meche kiwekwa kongoi akwek tugul chekaosubech eng kebeberwek anan takwek cheterchin. Ko abwatun kora Chemutai ale, you know, ku uncle noto kami olimbo Netherlands. You can visit Netherlands too and probably be able to sponsor him lunch in Netherlands and find out if there is an opportunity in Netherlands nekimuchi kecheng mechanics malo olebunu BMW kobunu the next neighboring country olinda ba Germany. So ngotimwochi biikab Netherlands ilechi you specialize in BMW ko chang biik kabisa Netherlands chekwere BMW. Who knows, an opportunity can arise from that area. So talk to Uncle, Gileji Uncle, I would like to visit you in Netherlands. Go to your uncle, find out if there is opportunities there, because this is a lady and you know the lady. Because Arama Mama, kongot komi opportunities cheu chotok kabwati ale komuchi koandolen mama ngolimbo Netherlands better than Nairobi. Male kityo sikeiste biik tugul eng Nairobi, lakini create another opportunity. Kongoi ngakwek tugul chekaosubech, kakikesi tetutiet nebo betutab ra. Kibwotwo kityo akobo Octaven kibagenge noto mi Nairobi. Kibwotwo kora ak toretet no kimeche ketoret Pastor Kimeto ketekchi studio ing olimbo Kericho. Kongoi ngakwek tugul chekotoretech chetotoretech. Kibwotun akobo Tamo Life ak kibwotun akobo Ndonyo Mat. Kongoi Osea, kongoi Chemutai.
Ameche kityo kibwati biik cho kelechi eng saishek chebo kong'ete saa moja, saa mbili, saa tatu akoi saa nne kemi Kaptagunyo diaspora church service olimbo Kaptagunyo korab wakili akoi saa 8 kemi kora kemi cho kikure AOP ak keng'ololchini biik ak kokwet tugul nebo Kaptagunyo. Ongetuiye yundo bo Kaptagunyo kebeberta nebo Nandi County nyikesa tugul, atya after hapo kenyoru section neking'ololchini kijanaek ak biikab kokwonotok eng olimbo Nandi County. Balozi king'etosi eng Nairobi akebe akoi Kisumu County. King'ete Nairobi next week tarik 18 kemi olimbo county nebo Kisumu.
So kongoi yeking'etie Nairobi ketokchinigei kong'etie China kebe Nairobi, kimeche kebe Kisumu, yeking'etie ngolo kemeche ketiem kecheng olimbo South America anan ko nemongen lakini ngano kelejinok tugul kongoi ngakwek tugul. Subscribe, like our YouTube page, comment.
Igere Nee Chitab Kalenin.